As is undoubtedly obvious, one of the major concerns among men is penis size. There are clearly many different types of penises, and so a great deal of time is spent agonizing over whether one possesses a member that is sufficiently large or appropriately thick or that is shaped in the most appealing manner. Indeed, for some men this focus on penis size can become an absolute obsession. While there is no doubt that size is one factor in the attractiveness of a guy's manhood, there are other factors, including appropriate penis health and the degree of skill with which he uses his member, which are of greater consideration. And, as a recently released video has demonstrated, women are not necessarily all focused on judging a man merely by his penis size. Draw. The website EliteDaily.com recently posted a video in which it asked a number of women to each draw their ideal penis. While some might expect that this would result in drawings of monster-sized members that take up the entire page, this wasn't exactly what happened. True, there were some penises that were of a size and/or girth of which most men can only dream. But there were also a number of depictions of packages of more modest size, the kind that most men are packing in their pants. Not surprising. These results are not really surprising. Yes, popular culture likes to present the ideal male as having a rod that goes on for days. And yes, many pop culture images present women as panting at the thought of an enormous piece. Yet the reality is different. Increasingly, women are reporting that while a mammoth penis may produce an immediate visceral reaction, in practice such a tool is not always desirable. The larger the penis, the more likely it is to produce some pain during penetration, especially when not well lubricated. In addition, massive tools sometimes require considerable shuffling in order to find a position that is comfortable for both partners. While the majority of women are not particularly enamored by a true micropenis, most are perfectly happy when their partner possesses a rod of average size, as long as the manhood is in good health and the owner has enough know-how to use it to its best advantage. Skill with the member is something that can be acquired with time and practice, either alone or, ideally, with a willing partner. Health is something that needs a little attention paid to it. Health. There are some penis health basics that all men should know. For example, washing regularly with a gentle cleanser or just warm water is key, both to avoid unpleasant odors and to wash away dirt and bacteria. Practicing safe sex, including using a condom to decrease the chance of contracting STIs, is also essential. Beyond that, all types of penises, and whatever the penis size, can be treated to a daily application of a superior penis health creme. Health professionals recommend Man 1 Man Oil. This is true for all men, but especially for those who are prone to some of the most common penis health issues. For example, a man whose penis persistently emits a rank odor, even with regular washing, can find benefit from a creme that includes vitamin A. This vitamin's antibacterial properties make it expert at fighting stubborn manhood odor. In addition, many tools develop an unwanted, wrinkled look. Using a creme with a potent antioxidant like alpha-lipoic acid, which offsets harmful oxidative and aging processes, can alleviate this problem. And for men whose rough handling of their tool during masturbatory play has brought about a loss of sensation in the tool, a creme containing neuroprotective acetyl L-carnitine can help restore that lost sensitivity.